Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use the Rico Essential Crochet yarn and hook number 1.6 millimeter and bead as shown now and earrings hook. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as shown now. Then I will put the bead on the yarn and make the slip knot under the bead as shown now. Then pull the yarn through the bead to have 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull the loop through 2 loops to have 1 loop on the hook as shown now. Now I have 2 loops around the bead as shown now. Then make a chain and make single crochet around the first loop. Then go to the second loop and make single crochet around it also. I will make it and I'll come back. Then start round 2. I will make 3 chains, then turn our work and make double crochet into the same stitch as shown now. Then make 2 double crochet into every stitch across the row until finish single crochet into the first loop for the bead, into the first loop only, and stop. Then I will start round 3. I will make a chain and turn, then make single crochet reverse into every stitch across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. Then make a chain and cut our yarn and fasten off. Then join the earrings hook as shown now. Now I finished crochet earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.